If you want to create videos like this by using the application Blender and you are not a designer, I have launched a series that takes you from zero to professional. So watch this video to the last and let's dive in. Hello my friends, today we'll talk about the lighting and the HDRI in Blender. What's the difference between them? Okay, first when we open the Blender, we'll go to the viewport shading. Okay, when we press on it, here what we see the lighting, the HDRI after render. Okay, then we will press Shift A. Okay, we have 4 different points: sun, spot, and area. First, we'll talk about the point. My friend, the point is the light emit, light in all directions from a single point, similar to light bulb. Okay, my brother, a sunlight simulates sunlight with parallel rays and mainly used for outdoor sense. How to think about it? It represents the sun, the moon, when the strength is reduced. When to use it? Outdoor sense, cities, nature environments, war, battlefields, and large open sense. Key feature: produce strong and clear shadows. Ideal for the realistic lighting, often used together with an HDRI for best result. Now the spotlight. Spotlight emits light in a cone shape and illuminates only a specific direction. How to think about it? It is like a stage spotlight, a flashlight, a police or searchlight. When to use it? Highlighting a character or object, cinematic and dramatic senses. Directing the viewer's attention to a specific area, night senses or dark environments. Key features: adjustable cone angle and softness. Creates focused and dramatic light, excellent for cinematic effects and visual storytelling. Now we will go to the area light. Area light limits light from a surface rather than a single point, creating soft and realistic illumination. How to think about it? It is like a studio softbox, light coming through a window, large indoor light panels. When to use it? Studio lighting, product rendering, portraits and characters. The key features: produces soft and smooth shadows, creates natural and realistic lighting, ideal for high quality and professional renders. Now my friend, we will talk about the HDRI. Okay, first we will go to the shading. Then we will press the viewport shading. Then from object to world. And then we will add environment texture. Okay, my friend. Then we will open and bring the HDRI. But first, where we will bring HDRI? We will go to the web and go to the HDRI Polyhaven. We have a lot of HDRI, skies, outdoor, indoor, any HDRI you want, there is. When you download it, you will go to your folder or download where you download it, and you will bring it. Okay, now I will go to my folder HDRI library. Okay, then I download many HDRI, so I will take this. Then we will make relation from color to color. Okay, when we make the relation, look what happened. Look, amazing, amazing, my friend. Okay, but we need light, of course. Since it is good without light, but with light it will be very very good. I prefer always to use the sunlight. The area, the all them you can use them in the night. Okay, without HDRI you can make the work or your project in night with using the lights, but with the HDRI you can add day. Okay, um, this is the difference between the HDRI and the lights. HDRI only it's good, but with lights it's very good. And if you want to make also you have HDRI in nights. Okay, the HDRI is very very good for rendering for your project. If you don't want to make it at night, if you will make it at night, don't use HDRI, use the lighting only. My friend, how to download the HDRI? First you press on any HDRI you want, then you put always use it more than 4K. Is when you use it for more than 4K it's so good. 8K is the best, more as you like. Okay, I used many HDRI here. Okay, when you don't use HDRI it will be the night. Alright, my friend, next time we will explain animation, cinematic camera techniques, and the difference between cycle and EV, as well as how to use characters from the internet. I am not a designer, I use ready made asset from the internet. So if you are not a designer either, follow me to learn more.